I'm Dr. Ari Gitlin, and welcome to Gitlin Dental Group. This is our main lobby. We built a very nice large lobby so patients feel comfortable, they feel right at home, they're not sitting on top of each other. And really, this is the first impression that you get when you visit our practice. We're a father-son team. We've been part of the community for over 35 years, and we want everyone to feel like they're at home. Follow me and we'll check out the rest of the office. This is our grand hallway. The first 3 rooms are our hygiene rooms. We have excellent hygienists. This is where patients get their cleanings and exams. Next, we have our general practice rooms. We provide all phases of dentistry with a major focus on dental implants and all on X. If you keep following me, I'll show you our consultation room. This is a newly renovated room. We wanted to give it a nice feel. There's no equipment in this room. We want patients to feel very comfortable. There's no instruments. And this is our consultation room. This is where you'll meet me and we'll discuss how we can make you happy and give you the smile that you deserve with aesthetics, function, and longevity. If you keep following me, I'll show you our surgical suite. This is where the magic happens. So this is our surgical suite. This is the room where we do all of our IV sedation, all of our all-on-X cases. Also, I still practice general dentistry, so I still do crowns and surgery. And this is where we make beautiful smiles and we give those patients those smiles in just one day. Keep following me around the corner. Let me take you to my back cave. This is where we keep all the fun toys, and really this is the most important part of the practice. This is what allows us to give you those same day smiles. This is our digital dental lab. We have our own dental lab on site. This allows us to give patients efficient dental treatment, less time between appointments, and because we have this on site, it gives me a lot of control and allows me to give patients exactly the smile that they want. Thank you for visiting us here at Gitlin Dental Group. We hope that you visit us soon and give us an opportunity to give you that beautiful smile you deserve.